Welcome to today's video, everyone. You can see I have a face cam today. I just got a new face cam, so we're going to be talking about some severe weather today across a lot of places. We're going to be talking about for next week too, guys. So let's get into this video. We're going to be looking at the outlooks right now, so let's pull them up. Alright, just give me 1 second. Alright, this is what today's outlook looks like. We got a slight risk of severe weather in Kansas, even Missouri we can see also on here. And we even got a little Nebraska, everyone. Then we got a marginal risk of severe weather in parts of Nebraska, Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, even Texas and Oklahoma. Then we got that typical thunderstorm risk in Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, New York, PA. And we got a little marginal risk of severe weather back in California, we can see. Then we got a typical thunderstorm risk in Florida and Texas, we can see also, guys. So, alright, let's look at our day 2 severe weather outlook. We got a marginal risk of severe weather in Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas. Then we got a typical thunderstorm risk in Illinois, Indiana, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri, Louisiana. We can see also Texas, Colorado, and even New Mexico. We can see also on here, guys. So let's move on. Our day 3 outlook, we can have a slight risk of severe weather in Texas. Then we got a marginal risk of severe weather in Kansas, Nebraska, even Iowa a little. Even little Colorado, even New Mexico could be included in Oklahoma too, and little Missouri too, in Iowa. Then we got typical thunderstorm risk in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Washington, California, and Idaho. Alright, our day 4 we're going to be talking about now. Then we got a day 4 severe weather outlook probability. We got 15% severe weather probability for Oklahoma, Kansas, even Texas too, we can see. Let's move on to our day 5. Our day 5 probability outlook, guys. So got a day 5 probability outlook for Iowa, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, even Texas too. Alright, day 6 severe weather probability outlook. 15% severe weather probability outlook for Michigan, Ohio, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, even Texas too. We can see on here, guys. So yeah, we gotta keep watch on that. Then we got our day 7 severe weather probability outlook for Illinois, Indiana, Arkansas, Missouri, we can see, Louisiana, even Texas, we can see also on here, guys. So we got to keep watching this because this could be, looks like a bad pattern of severe weather we're seeing right now. So let's move on to our radar projections and see what that's saying today. So let's move on to that. Alright, everyone, so starting with Thursday, April 9th at 2 p.m., we're could have some scattered storms in Kansas, Nebraska, even Texas maybe. We could have some maybe scattered rain across Michigan, maybe some storms in Illinois, Indiana maybe. Could have also typical thunderstorm risk there. Then we got snow maybe in North and South Dakota. We can have also for Thursday, April 9th at 2 p.m. and some rain down in Florida we can see also, guys. So, yeah. Hold on, this thing is acting dumb. Okay, so we got Thursday, April 9th at 5 p.m. We can see we got some potential storms in Nebraska, Iowa. We can see even Kansas. We can see on here, guys. So we got some rain in Texas. Maybe potentially be storms. Some potential storms maybe down in Florida. That could be rain into storms too. We can see some maybe rain in California. We can see maybe have some storms there also. We can see also some rain maybe up in New York, PA, Ohio, maybe some scattered pop-up storms, maybe some rain also we could have today there. Alright, by Thursday, 8 p.m., we could have some storms maybe in Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa. We can see also some snow in North Dakota, South Dakota, some snow in Minnesota. We can see also on here, guys. So, yeah. Okay, sorry about that. So, got some rain in California, got some rain in Nevada. Could have potentially some rain in Texas. We can see also. You can see on there. So let's move on. Thursday, April 9th at 11 p.m. we can see here. We got some storms maybe potentially in Iowa, Kansas, some rain in Illinois maybe. That could potentially be a storm. Some rain in Texas. That could be maybe a pop-up storm there. Some rain in California. That could be maybe some storms, maybe light storms or lighter side storms. Rain in Nevada. We can see rain in Florida. We can see also on here maybe, and maybe some scattered rain in PA, New York, and Ohio we could be watching for. Alright, Friday, April 10th at 2 a.m. we got maybe some rain in Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Wisconsin, Iowa, some snow in Minnesota. We can see also some rain in Michigan, some rain in Pennsylvania, New York. We can have also for Friday, April 10th at 2 a.m. we can see also on here. By 5 a.m. on Friday, we can have some rain in Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, some snow in Michigan. We could have too. Some rain in New York, some rain in Texas potentially too. So let's move on. Then we got Friday, 11 a.m. We could see. Sorry, guys. Got some rain in Michigan. We got maybe some rain in Illinois, Indiana. Got some rain in Kansas, maybe. That could potentially be a storm, maybe. Potential storms there too. Again, rain in Texas on Friday. We can see. Rain in California. We can see also on here, guys. So we got to keep watching out here for storms in the Kansas area too. Got some snow maybe up in Canada. We can see also. All right, by Friday at 5 p.m. we can see we got some storms maybe in Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Texas. We can have also on here, guys. So we can see some rain in Ohio maybe. So maybe heavier pockets of rain potentially in Ohio. We could have it sometimes too. Some rain in California and some snow in the California mountains. We can see also on here some snow up and maybe in the Oregon mountains and Idaho mountains potentially too. We can have. All right, Friday, April 10th at 8 p.m. we can see we got some rain and maybe some rain in Ohio, New York, even Maine. Also, we can see some rain in Kansas, some rain in Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas. It could be storms in Texas too. Okay. Friday by 11 p.m. looks like our rain and storms are dying down in Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas. We can see on here too. Then we got our rain in Ohio, PA, New York, Maine. We can see our rain also. Then let's get to Saturday at 8 a.m. everyone. So Saturday 8 a.m. this is our day. We're going to be looking out for severe weather a lot. In the next kind of week, we're going to be looking at severe weather a lot. Also, we might see a lot of bad storms with these. I'm going to be honest. Like, we could see some rain in Nebraska, some rain in Iowa, some snow in Minnesota. Get some rain, maybe some rain in Kansas and Missouri. Saturday at 8 a.m. we can see. Also, Saturday at 11 a.m. we can maybe have a storm maybe in Missouri. We could have also some maybe pop-up storms in Texas. We could start having too. Some maybe pop-up rain, pop-up showers in New Mexico. Maybe a little storm there. Also for Saturday at 11 a.m. By Saturday at 2 a.m. we got some more pop-ups, more storms going on. We got maybe storms in Texas, Oklahoma, even Kansas too, Nebraska. We can see some rain up in California, some rain in Washington, Oregon. We can see also on here. So we get some snow in Idaho. We can see also Saturday, April 11th at 5 p.m. we can see we got storms in Texas, potentially storms in Kansas, storms in Iowa, potentially storms maybe up in Minnesota. We could have some rain also, some snow up there. We can see some storms in Kansas, some rain in California, some snow in the Nevada mountains and Utah and Colorado mountains. We can see also on here, guys. By Saturday at 8 p.m. we got storms in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and even little Missouri too. We can have storms for Saturday at 8 p.m. We can see also, guys. By Saturday, April 11th at 11 p.m., we can see we got storms across Texas, even scattered across Kansas that are dying down, but we got some rain in Minnesota and Wisconsin. We can see everybody on here. Some snow in California, Nevada. We can see also, guys, so we got to keep watching out. All right, Sunday at 5 a.m. We have a storm, looks like in Texas. We can see Oklahoma. We can see also we got storms there. We can see Sunday at 5 a.m. We can see on here, guys. We got looks like some snow in the California mountains at Sunday at 5 a.m. We can see also we got some snow in Nevada. We can see also on here, guys. So yeah. Sunday, April 12th at 8 a.m. we can see we had some snow in California, Nevada. We can see also some rain in Wisconsin, some snow in Michigan. We can see also on here, guys. Then we get some rain in Kansas, some storms in Kansas, some storms in Texas potentially. You can see some snow in Michigan we can have also on here, guys. So, all right, Sunday at 11 a.m. we could have a storm and rain potentially in Kansas, Missouri, Texas. We can see on here also Sunday, April 12th at 11 a.m. and some rain in Texas we can see also on here, guys. Sunday, April 12th, 2026 at 2 p.m. we can see a storm in Missouri, Oklahoma, Texas. We can see also rain up in Michigan, some snow in the California and Nevada mountains, we can see. And some rain up in North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and even New York. Alright, by 5 p.m. on Sunday, we got a line of storms, looks like stretching from Texas all the way up to Illinois. We can see maybe some storms up there in Texas. Then we get some snow in Nevada, Idaho, Montana, Colorado. We can see also, not Colorado, Wyoming, sorry guys. Some snow in Oregon. We can see also some snow in California, Nevada. Sunday, 8 p.m., we got our line of storms moving to the east. We can see we had storms in Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, and even rain in Michigan, Wisconsin, too. Some snow in New York, and maybe some rain in New England states, and potentially some could be switching over from rain to snow. We can see in some of those spots. Some rain in Minnesota, some rain in Wisconsin we can have. Alright, by Sunday at 11 p.m., our storms are most likely died down by then. We can have some stronger storms in Texas, but in Illinois, looks like Missouri, our storms are starting to die down there at this time. On this model we're seeing right now. Then we get a storm maybe in Kansas too. We can see also. Alright, by Monday at 2 a.m., our storms are really starting to die down. We can see also by then. So, got maybe some scattered storms in Texas, Missouri, Arkansas, maybe too. Let's skip to the next day. So, Monday, 8 a.m., we can see this rain maybe up in Ohio, Illinois. We can see Indiana. We can see also by then Kentucky. We got some storms, rain maybe. Also, guys, we can see. Alright, so then Monday at 2 p.m. we can really see that's where our next storms are going to be. We can see with the light green forming. These are our storms forming Monday at 2 p.m. Maybe have some rain in Kentucky. That could potentially be a storm also on there, guys. So, yeah. By Monday at 5 p.m. we can see got kind of like our storms developing. We can see in parts of Texas, Arkansas, Illinois. We can see also on here, guys. Monday 8 p.m. we got pop-up storms starting to pop up in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas. We can see at night. Then we got some rain maybe in North Dakota. We can see in Minnesota too on here. Then Monday at 11 p.m. we get some really pop-up storms down in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas. We can see. So let's skip to Tuesday. Yeah, guys. So we're going to just stop there because after that, it's just going to be too far out and we really don't know after then. So we're going to look at our storm cap now. So it's just give me a second to pull it up. I'll be pulling it up right now for you guys. Hold on. Just give me 1 second. All right. So let's go all the way back to Saturday at 3 p.m. So, no, actually, there's a New Zealand storm cap. Alright, so this is Saturday at 3 p.m. Our storm cap. We have 1,700 storm cap in some places, 1,800 in parts of Kansas. We can see also 1,100 storm cap in parts of Texas. We can see 1,300 in parts of Nebraska. We can see also on here, guys. So it's 1,700 maybe in Missouri to Nebraska, ranging from 800 to 1,300. So even South Dakota, we can have storm caps ranging from 5 to 1,000. Someone did an error up there. Do you see what I'm talking about? Look at that number. Look, you see, like, oh my God. You guys see that? Like, it says 66,692, and it says the 53 on it, too. 536,000 storm cap, it says up there. Look at that. You see that, guys? Hold on, let me put my mouse on there so you guys can see that. Look at that error. Look at what the error the model did. Where my mouse is. Like, you can see that with the 536,692. That is this. That's a error. Yeah, one of the like you see it did an error, like they must have like put the numbers too close together. That's why it looks like that. So Saturday, April 11th at 7 p.m. we can see we got our storm cap 1,500, 1,400 in Nebraska, 1,100, 1,500 in Missouri. We can see also. All right, so you can see we're gonna be talking about Sunday now. Sunday at 5 p.m. we could have places like Wisconsin with 2,000 storm cap, places like Texas with 2,500 to almost 3,000 storm cap, 2,800 in some places, 1,800 storm cap. In Iowa, we can see 1,900 in parts of Kansas. We can see a storm cap also, guys. So we got to keep watching this and seeing what's going on. So even overnight, the storm cap could continue in parts of Texas, Iowa. The storm field continues overnight. We can see Monday at 2 a.m. we got 1,600 storm cap, 1,400, 1,200 storm cap, 2,300, 2,500 at night in Texas, guys. So this could create some bad storms, everybody. So all right, so Monday looks a lot worse, so guys. Look at this. Look at Monday, guys. Look, we could have in some places 3,000 plus storm cap, 3,100 storm cap in parts of Nebraska, Iowa 2,000 something storm cap, Missouri 2,000, Texas 2,500 storm cap. We can see also, yeah, we gotta keep, yeah, we gotta watch this. This is parts of even South Dakota. We have 2,500 storm cap. Yeah, guys, these are high numbers. These could create some really bad storms here. All right, so our storm cap on Tuesday could be 2,400 in parts of Iowa. We can see also 2,200 in parts of Wisconsin, Nebraska. We can see 1,500 in parts of Oklahoma, and 1,100 in parts of Texas and Ohio. We can have 12 to 1,300 storm cap in some places in Michigan too. Illinois, we have 2,000 plus storm cap in some places too. So that'll be pretty much it. I'm going to be wrapping up this video here because it's already like a really long video. So hope you enjoyed and learned something new about this today, guys. I see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to the notification button. Never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys. See you guys in the next video.